Check this out, guys. Open. And close. Pretty cool, huh? So originally on the A7, S7, and RS7, we are only able to open up the trunk with the trunk button on the KEYFOB remote. But now I am able to close the trunk with the same trunk button on the KEYFOB remote. And in this video, I will show you guys how I did it. Also, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel for more new upcoming videos like these that can help you guys out. Thanks, guys. So let's get right to it. But first, check out this fitment though. Can't even get my fingers in it. So here are all of the tools that I'll be using to get this done. I have a VCDS cable here and a laptop with the VCDS software. So let's go ahead and get this started. VCDS cable is plugged into the OBD2 port of the A7 and into the laptop. VCDS program opened, car is turned on. Now let's do this. So the first thing we need to do is check that the remote control operation is active and is set. So we'll go here, select control module, select. Then we'll go to 46, central convenience. Then we'll go to here, coding, once it loads up. Okay, coding. And then we'll go here to long coding helper, click that. And then we'll go over here at the up button here, go to byte 2 here. And all we're going to do here is make sure that bit number 2 here is checked. That means that the remote control operation is active. So we're good here. Now let's back out of this controller. X at the right top corner. Cancel. Close controller. Go back. And now we can enable the function of closing the trunk with the key fob. So we'll go over here. You see it says install to tab. Then we'll go over here. 6D. Trunk electronic, click that, let it load up, go down to here, security access 16, click that, type in the security code 12345, hit do it, security access accepted, hit OK. Then we'll go down here to adaptation -10, click that, hit the drop down menu here, and then go down all the way until you see right here it says number activation using rear lid opening button in the key, what's that, in the remote key tap function for closing. So you click that, you see right now it says not active, so you go to the new value drop down menu here, click that, hit active, hit do it, and it says replace yes, you hit yes, and it's here, controller accepted. We'll now read the channel again, hit OK, and now we should be good. So let's go ahead and double check that this function works. So let's close everything and go back out. Go back, close controller, go back, exit. Let's check to see if this works. So let's open the trunk. Okay. And let's close the trunk by just pressing it once. And it works. I really think that that's a really cool feature so that you don't have to always press this button here to close the trunk. So now you can just use the key fob and press the trunk button here and it will close for you just like that. And that is how you enable the function of closing the trunk with the KEYFOB remote. If you guys have any further questions about the procedure, just comment it down below and I will try my best to help you guys out. So if you guys found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel to help support my channel and to stay updated on more new upcoming videos that can help you guys out. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you also like this feature of closing your trunk via the KEYFOB remote. And lastly, I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.